In this video, I'm going to show you factorization of polynomial using difference of squares. We will use a formula a square minus b square equals a plus b times a minus b. That is square of a minus square of b equals sum of a and b times difference of a and b. I will show you one example with a number, that is 5 square minus 3 square, that is square of 5 minus square of 3 equals sum of 5 and 3, that is 5 plus 3 times difference of 5 and 3, 5 minus 3. Let us verify this. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9 equals 5 plus 3, 8 times 5 minus 3, 2. 25 minus 9 equals 16 and 8 times 2 is 16. So it is verified now. Now we are going to solve examples with variables. My first question is x square minus y square. Let us factorize it. We know that this is of the form a square minus b square, which is equal a plus b times a minus b. Here a is x and b is y. So x plus y times x minus y. My next example is 4x square minus 1. So let us take the square roots of these two numbers. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of x square is x. So write it together and take the square outside. And square root of 1 is 1, so 1 square. And this is of the format a square minus b square. Here a is 2x and b is 1. And the sum of a and b, that is 2x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. Third example. X square minus 8. Before we begin factorization, let us simplify 8 because 8 is not a perfect square. 8 equals 4 times 2. We can write 2 square times square root of 2 square. Any square root we square, we will get the same number without a square. Square root of x square equals x. So here 2 times root 2 square, because the square is common for both 2 square and root 2 square. So we got 8 equals 2 times root 2 square. Let us simplify this question. X square minus 8. X square minus 2 times root 2 square, since 8 equals 2 root 2 square. Here a equals x and b equals 2 root 2. The sum times difference. So x plus 2 root 2 times x minus 2 root 2. That is the factors. Next example. X to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. So we know that x to the power 4 equals x square to the power 2. minus y square to the power 2. Here again the difference of two squares, that is x square the square minus y square the square. Here we can take the x square as a and y square as b. Sum times difference. So that is x square plus y square times x square minus y square. Again we have a difference in squares. So we are going to factor it again. X square plus y square, and again the difference, here it is a, here it is b, that is x plus y times x minus y. We factored completely. We can't factorize x square plus y square again. So this is the complete factored form of x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Next example. 16x square minus 9y square. So we know that square root of 16 is 4 and square root of x square is x. So the square root of 16x square is 4x to the power 2 minus, we know that square root of 9 is 3, square root of y square is y, and then take the square. So we rewrite 16x square as 4x to the power 2, 9y square is 3y to the power 2. Now here we have a difference in squares, that is here 4x is a, 3y is b. We can write it as 4x plus 3y times 4x minus 3y. I will explain next kind of factorization in next video.